Hey guys! Welcome again to another episode here in my vlog. This is actually our 5th day here in Osaka. I have with me my daughter and Karen. So as you notice, wala yung panganay ko doon actually sa mami niya. For today, we're actually going to the airport. So we're gonna have a 1-day trip from Osaka to Hokkaido. Specifically, we're going to Sapporo. Wala pa kaming itinerary pagdating doon. We're totally clueless kung anong gagawin. We're just gonna hang out and see. Ang purpose ko lang naman para pumunta doon is for my family to experience snow. Kasi kahit papano, now is April, meron pa rin naman daw. So let's see how it will play out. 2-hour plane ride from Kansai to Sapporo. Let's go. Sapporo. Let's go. Ito problema dyan. Hindi na kami sa Namba. On our way to the airport, naiwan namin yung maleta namin. And we're going back to the hotel. So, yeah, we have to take a cab. Going back to the hotel and then rush back again to the train station to catch the train going to the airport. Grabe. Hindi namin namalaya na naiwan namin yung maleta. My bad though. It's okay. Pabalik ako ng... Ito na. Andun sila. Nakasakay pa rin sa taxi. Ako pabalik ng room. So, yan. One of the cons. Well, hindi cons. Actually, wala tayong pwedeng sisihin kundi sarili ko lang din. Ang tanga ko dun. Nakakainis. We're really running out of time. Magbabas kami papunta dun sa airport and it's gonna take about 1 hour to go there, and we will be there around 9:40, but our flight is at 11. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it. Bas, grabe yung pawis ko. Okay ka lang? What an adventure, right? Naiwan yung maleta, nag-send tayo ng pera dahil nag-taxi tayo at pagod na pagod pa tayo. But it's okay, right? It's okay, right? You're happy? What's up? So it's 9:36. Our flight is at 11. I am hoping that we can make it. Alright, 9:50, an hour and 9 minutes. We made it. Hindi naman daw kami late. So good. And we're checking in. Done with the security check. My baby's just sleeping. Not doing anything. Really quiet. Ah! Okay, restaurant. Okay. Our flight is at what? 11 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock local time. We could just grab some snacks and head on to Sapporo. So finally we're at the airport. One thing I noticed, pag check-in, no, hindi man lang tinignan kahit anong ID namin, which is really weird. Walang ID, hindi chinek yung passport. First time ever kung nakapunta sa kahit anong airport na hindi nag-check ng ID. I don't know why. But yeah, we're just chilling after the morning mishap na wala yung bag. And my baby's just chilling too, you know. Yeah, so we're just waiting to be boarded. So. Lahat ng bumababa, tinitignan ni Adina kanina. Tapos may nagbababay siya. No? Bye-bye! Say bye-bye! So we are officially in Hokkaido. Lamig. Lamig. Oh. Lamig. So let's walk. Walk. And we're going to Sapporo. Right. So, the airport nila sa New Chitose Airport. Now that we're here, we just got our baggage. We have to figure out how to go to Sapporo. But I think pwede tayong sumakay ng train. 45 minutes from here. Let's start the adventure again of trying to look for the right train. So we're going now to the train station. Good thing yung always naman yung train nila dito connected sa airport. So yeah, here we go.
Via Sapporo. We will be stopping at Minami Chitose, Shin Sapporo, Sapporo, Soen, Okoni. And in the event of an emergency, press to alert to.
So we just got here in Sapporo Station. Malamig. So trying to find the next hotel. So East Gate daw. Tapos North Exit. Ayun oh, sakto. So yeah, yung card na lang. Okay, so actually, what time is it? It's past 2 o'clock. Pero wala pang 3. 3 o'clock yung check-in time namin. So I guess tulog si baby. Hanap na muna tayo ng ano, ng makakainan. Ayun na pa tayo hindi kumakain. Ilang patong na yan ang damit? Tatlo. Ay, it's okay. It's okay. Lamig? Lamig? Opo. It's okay, anak. It's okay. Bye. Opo. Out. In Sapporo. Yep. Just gonna go walk straight. Basa ang kalsada. Pero sobrang lamig. Alam mo, sayang lang, medyo nahuli tayo ng onting-onti kasi kaya naman tayo pumunta dito dahil sa snow.
Oh,
Kaso nga,
nag-snow?
wala na eh, tuyo na. Yung mga mountain na lang nila ang meron. So, yan, kain tapos check-in. Then hindi namin alam saan pupunta. Actually talagang wala kaming idea kung anong pwedeng puntahan dito. So we'll figure it out later. For sure marami namang tourist attraction dito na baby friendly. Huwag lang umulan. Punta na kami ng konting ambon. That's the hotel. Konti lang. Uulan na. Let's go. Here we are, Sapporo Hotel by Granville. So let's check in and see the room. 16:28. Okay, before you go, guys, go in. Okay, let's see. Pasok na kayo. Oh. So you got a nice room over here, and then ito yung paliguan. Let's see ano makikita natin sa... Whoa, this is good. Yun nga lang, talagang maulan ngayon. So okay, let's settle down and eat. Let's settle down, baby. Kain muna kami. Dito muna sa hotel kakain. Ito yung ginagawa nitong batang to. Sige, gawin mo ulit yung ginagawa mo. Ano? Di ba? Panoorin mo sarili mo.
Asim, asim. Paano asim? 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 Paano asim? Asim face. Asim.
So hey guys, time check. It's now 7 p.m. and we got a big problem. It's been raining the whole day. We couldn't bring the baby out dahil malamig at umuulan. It's not healthy for her. So I just decided to just go out myself. Maiwan dito si mommy and si baby. Nakakainis kasi wala man lang kami magagawa on our first day. But by the way, Hotel Sapporo by Granville really is good. It's very clean, wala akong masabi. We paid for 6,000 pesos for the whole day. So we still have up until tomorrow to check in here. Wala talaga, grabe, napakalinis dito. So, ayun, samahan nyo na lang ako. Oh, I'm out at the hotel. And it's still raining so bad. It's even looks like it's not good for me to walk. Wow, this is crazy. But there's a mall over here in front of me. Feeling ko dyan na lang ako makakapunta. But malls are closing at 8 o'clock and I only have roughly 30 minutes to go. Sige, kahit umuulan. Oh my God. Sayang yung araw, grabe. Let's see if I could buy. Let me buy an umbrella. Gosh, I just tried buying an umbrella from this store. They won't let me in because they're freaking closed. Whew. Saan ako pwedeng pumunta? I was asking the front desk kung ano yung attraction na malapit. I don't think he understood my question. He just pointed me somewhere. Oh God. Lakas ng ulan eh. Saka mahangin. See? It's raining. Pero pwede ko naman lakarin. Wala, dito na rin naman tayo. Sinisipon na rin naman ako. This is our hotel at night. Walk around. I'm checking. I did check Google, which is always going to be your best friend when you're out. I did check tourist spot near me, and I think the nearest one that's from where I am is Sapporo Clock Tower. It's close, but I'm still going there anyway. I don't think hindi ko naman kailangan lumapit. I just need to see the clock tower. Kasi alam ko na panood ko yung sa Kita-Kita eh. The only recollection I have for Sapporo is the movie Kita-Kita. So let's go. Let's run. Sana ako. I have to buy umbrella in one of their convenience stores. JR Tower. Small yata ito. Ang ganda. So we're heading over there. Medyo lumalakas talaga yung ulan. Lalabanan na lang talaga natin. I think I am here. So, let me just make sure. But it seems that this is it. The Sapporo Clock Tower. Oh yeah, ito nga. Nice. At least I made it a great day and saw something different today. Oh wow. It may not be the most famous attraction here in Sapporo, but still I was able to check one for the night. It's 8 o'clock. Let's see kung meron pang isa. Let's see kung may malapit pa. Tara, hanap pa tayo. Google pa natin. It's 8 o'clock now. Oh, nice. I got that. I don't know if yun yung clock tower talaga, pero at may back, ito pala yun, ito yung hinahanap ko. Ito nga yung...
Correction lang, so tama, yung una kong nakita is the Sapporo Clock Tower, and then itong pangalawang nakita ko is the Sapporo TV Tower. So ayun, let me just correct, marami akong maling masasabi dyan.
Yung clock tower, so punta tayo doon. Yun yung clock tower. So tara, doon tayo. Wow. So there it is, the clock tower. Nice. Yeah. Here I am. Oh, di ba? Buti hindi ako sumuko sa kakalakad ng kakalakad. So here I am, Sapporo Clock Tower. I-correct nyo nga ako kung ito ba yun o hindi. Oh, no, this is it. This is the Odori Park. Wait. Kasi ang labo ng Google eh. Iba yung sinasabi niya dito, promise. Google ha, pakiayos to, napapahiya ako ha. Okay, nasa harapan ko nga ang Odori Park. So, let's see. Picture muna tayo. We're now actually here sa Odori Park. Confirmed, this is Odori Park because as you can see, ayan yung famous na Sapporo sign and it's in front of the clock tower. Well, let's just try to get a view yung gitna nito. I don't think I could go in there because maputik. Oh, so I don't know, tumawag na sila sa akin, gising na yung anak ko. They want me back sa hotel. But I am enjoying myself again. This is crazy. Alam mo, natutuwa ako pag mag-isa lang akong gumagalaw. I don't know. There's just something na, ewan ko ba, parang lagi na lang kasi may... basta. Mas ang saya ko pag mag-isa ako. I'm just enjoying my moment here, really. Imagine, I'm in Sapporo. Dati pinapanood lang kita. Ngayon nandito na ako. Grabe. So, I'm back here at the hotel. Na-miss ko yung baby ko. Na-miss mo ako? Na-miss mo ako? So, yeah, kahit pa paano naman, may napuntahan naman ako. I still enjoyed walking kahit umuulan, kahit ako lang mag-isa. Hopefully tomorrow, no, masama na kita. Sana wala nang ulan. Kasi tomorrow is gonna be our last day here in Sapporo. We're heading back to Osaka. So ayun. Anyway, see you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Tignan mo yung pisngi niya, oh. Namumula na, oh. Namumula na yung pisngi ng baby ko, no. Ang ganda-ganda ng baby ko. Namumula. Ang cute.